Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Our victim today is a 2014 Toyota Corolla, and this is what's going on right now. This may be your problem. This is what happens as soon as I get in here. I put it in reverse. Turn your volume up. I don't know if you can hear that noise. Hold on. So first, we did not know what it was until we took a closer look. We opened the hood. And you saw that right there. That right there is your engine mount. You put some pressure on there and make that noise. I'm pushing down on the engine just a tad bit. Listen to that noise. That's what the customer's complaining about, a loud rattling noise. So let's go ahead and change that mount real quick, see if that solves our problem. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is put a jack underneath. Put it right under the engine pan right there. And go ahead and jack it up, sir. Put something in between so you don't damage it. All right, that should be good. Should be good. Just enough pressure so the engine doesn't fall to the ground. Now our next step will be to loosen up the engine mount bolts. This one's right here are 14 millimeter. So I got a 14 millimeter. And the ones over here are 17 millimeter. So let's take these out real quick. Once you crack these loose, it's time to get them out. Here's the new mount right here. Shiny. All right, let me see. This one was 17. 17 was for the top. All right, cool. Let's get those out. Put it to the side. Take the other one. Yeah. If you didn't have the engine supported, it would drop right now. Now we need to get these out with the 14 millimeter. Right. Twist it to the right.
I can't look them.
There we go. Get the other two with the extension, and you can, yeah, just put it on that right there.
Got it.
All right, do that one right there. Got it?
Got it.
All right. Now, all of them are out. I think the mount should just come out. Let's see how. Okay, so we went ahead and removed the screw that was in the middle, which was this one right here, in the middle of the mount, and the mount was completely torn apart. Now, to get this bracket off, if you notice on the new part, this got that thing sticking out right there. That has a 14 millimeter nut inside of it that you have to access from underneath right here, just like that. So we'll take that out and keep on moving. All right, so with the nut removed from the bottom, now this thing will just easily come out. That's the nut right there. Came from the bottom, and we got it from right here. You get a little bit like a quarter turn, but you'll do it. So if you can do me the honor, sir, remove that. Just like that, it comes out. Excellent. Perfect. Now, we need to put the new mount in. Let's do it. Reverse order, guys, reverse order. All right, the new mount is going in right now. We're gonna put that nut at the bottom. So this is how I took it out. Just like that. I felt for it. Let's start screwing it on. Just like that. All right, once you got that mount right there, get your bolt, put it back in, and screw it in tight, and then tighten up the rest. All right, here we go. All right, guys, now it's time to bolt it down right there. You may have to lower the jack, and you may need 2 hands to pull on it right here to line it up with the hole. All right, here we go. this is tight. But once it starts to get on there, get your tool, tighten it up, and then make sure that the other ones line up as well. And this one down here. So you get my drift. Make sure it lines up. There you go, guys. Alright guys, so all I gotta do now is tighten these up. Okay, this one right here. Let's do the one on the other side now. Let's see if I can move this with me. There we go. That one right there. Now we'll do that one on the side, and that's it, guys. Alright guys, here we go. No more noise. Drop to the front, push on it. Nice. And that is how you fix a rattling noise on the Toyota Corolla 2014. Change the engine mounts. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep these videos coming. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.